What is up, guys? Today I will try to explain what scooter to buy. So I have here Ninebot and Xiaomi scooter, so Xiaomi electric scooter 4 and Ninebot F3. Of course, it's different category of the scooters, but in general there is always choice between Xiaomi and Ninebot. That's a key competitors on this market. Personally, for me, I will answer in advance, I prefer the Ninebot, not only this model, but in general, but also Xiaomi is getting better with years. So Scooter 6, now it's Scooter 4, already Scooter 6 is available. Only for me, always, if you compare the old model, was disadvantage the front main like wheel, let's say, comparing to the back wheel in Ninebot F series. So I prefer the back wheel, it's getting faster and it's much more convenient to drive. Meanwhile, in the Xiaomi scooter, you always have the back brake, which is also a bit better when you're driving high speed and you want to stop. Also, for the unlock itself, currently both scooters quite hard to unlock right now, 2026. In description below you'll find the many videos how to do it, many methods, that some of them are working still in 2026 and some of them already stopped working, but in general those two scooters are very different. As for me, the price range, so it's around $800 a new one for this, and for Xiaomi electric scooters around $600, maybe $500 for the brand new. Actually, I got it secondhand for $200, and currently for $500 you can get F3, so the price difference is also huge. So from this point of view, I will not compare. Of course, if you need the basic scooters, the Xiaomi is your choice. On the second-hand market, you can find really cheap Xiaomi scooters, like I found this. Also, you can unlock it using like chip unlock. I already mentioned it before. Both of them can be unlocked. So as you see, that's the chip for Xiaomi 4 models, that's the chip for F3 Pro. So both of them can be unlocked with these things. You need to just dismantle 4 screws and install it here. So we'll have up to 35 km/h, even more. On the Xiaomi scooter, you will get up to 30 km/h, which is much better than the stock 120. For this is E version, I have 25, the stock one. So in general, comparing the battle between Xiaomi and Ninebot, for me the Ninebot is still a bit higher quality and more reliable compared to Xiaomi. Also, the battery life is usually better, depends on which model. For example, for E series, it's comparable to Xiaomi. From price perspective, the top Xiaomi right now is 6 Max, costs the same as F3 Pro. Also, you'll have the dual suspension on both of them, and actually I suggest to try 2 of them, maybe somewhere in the store or your friends, then you can make a decision. As for me, I made it, I prefer the Ninebot scooters here in those 2. Alright, basically that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, put the thumbs up and see you next time.